We do have a very reliable, safe and discreet automation for your sliding gate. The LiftMaster SLY1000 is an extremely reliable and discreet automation for sliding gates up to 1000 kilos. This state-of-the-art product is a very safe and robust design that does not need any maintenance. The weight does not matter. The electronic system will make sure the gate will move with an incredible smoothness. On top of that, thanks to the photo cells, the automation will detect the obstacle before the impact. The automation recognizes the obstacle, stops and returns to its original position. With LiftMaster, you will also enjoy numerous innovative accessories that will improve your life every day. Make the right choice with the world leader. Make the right choice with the SLY1000 by LiftMaster.